happiness is a continuous creative activity, comparing your experiences to things that aren't as good and thereby feeling happy and grateful. This is the inspirational thought by Baba Amte.
Hello friends, it pleases me to welcome your presence on this digital platform on behalf of Department of English, KKM College Manvat. Considering the need of quality education and also to disseminate the knowledge among different social classes in the vicinity of Manvat, the college with its rural background was established in the year 1972. Since its establishment, the college has been taking all possible efforts to remain active in the process of quality enhancement through a focus on student-centric activities. The Department of English takes a lead to keep students at the center by keeping in mind the need of students in the region. Therefore, the department has been conducting the activities such as spoken and written English classes, film club, and book club for last few years. Book club is a platform where students can read, share, and review books. The students are expected to listen, talk, and suggest on various books. In this way, it may boost skill-based learning, encourage reading culture, and assist their overall development. I hope that you would encourage our students through your active listening and noteworthy suggestions. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Nisha Bhausaheb Gagarmare. I am BA second year student of KKM College Manvat. As you know that this is the lockdown period, and during this critical period our college has started this innovative activity of book club. Through this activity we are expected to review the book and present via this digital platform. Physical description of the book. I have chosen a very interesting book which can identified as Blueprint of Social Work. It is an autobiography entitled Samhita, written by Sadhna Amte. This book is about Sadhnatai Amte and Baba Amte. This book is published in the year 2008. This book is published by Orient Longman. The book has 260 pages and the book is divided into chapters. The front cover of the book displays the image of Sadhnatai Amte and Baba Amte. This book is translated by Shobha Pawar. Samhita is a fairy tale, romance, and also blueprint for anyone who wants to venture into the social services. The autobiography of Sadhnatai, a woman who chose to marry a French man and a dreamer, Baba Amte. It is also a tale of her willing surrender in love without slightest loss of her identity. Why this book? This book is very important in the sense it introduces the life story of Amte family and their contribution for needy people. It teaches us the values of life through the message service to man is service to God. Now I explain content of the book. Sadhnatai, born on 5th May 1926 in an Orthodox Brahmin family of Ghule Shastri. Her nickname was Indu. She was the third of the 6 siblings. While much has been written about Baba Amte, Sadhnatai is equally inspirational and faced all the struggles of life. Through that trying time, she never lost her smile and charm as the compassionate person. Baba Amte, a man of anger and love, contrasting emotions together. Sharing is the significant quality of human beings. Sharing is not possible without communication. Baba Amte, born on 26 December 1914 in Varora. His full name is Murlidhar Devidas Amte. He was lawyer, social activist who devoted his life for welfare of poor people and least powerful, and especially to the care of those individuals who suffered from leprosy. Time is very important in the Baba Amte's life. He did his work time to time. Honesty, truthfulness, loyalty, and transparency. These qualities in Baba Amte attracted Sadhnatai a lot. Once at family wedding, Baba Amte saw Indu, the younger sister of the day's bride. He was highly impressed by the compassion for the lowly. He was quick to discern that she was not an ordinary girl, but that would be the perfect life partner without any ambitions. On the 18th of December 1946, their marriage got solemnized. After their marriage, Sarnatai Amte lived at Dharampet for a few days. Baba Amte and Sarnatai Amte devoted their life for welfare of poor people. During that period, they organized different activities and projects. Anandavan is situated on Nagpur-Chandrapur Road, 4 kilometers away from Varora. Baba had got 50 acres land with the help of R.K. Patil and Barrister Barlinge. The tract of land was an area crowded with dense forest. There was no facility of communication when Baba set up free center of treatment. There was neither bedding nor any shelter. Baba used to walk to the place, would treat his patient in the shade of neem tree. At that time, even to get patient was difficult. Tai to used to walk to the place. Manoharji Diwanji sent 5 patients to Baba. When the first hut was erected, Vinobaji visited Anandavan. He gave Baba 100 rupees and Baba brought a new cow with that amount. In Anandavan, there was no water to drink. When Baba decided dig 2 wells. Beside the place was the home of such deadly creatures as the scorpions and snakes. Once at Baba, 2 injured in the attack of monkey. One day, as it tells, a band of 25 youth came to Anandavan. For them, new huts were erected. This is the first public project of Anandavan. Also, they organized a Somnath project, Lok Biradari project. It was the social project of Maharogi Seva Samiti, Varora, involving a hospital, a school and an animal orphans. It was started 23 December 1973 by the social worker Baba Amte. Purpose of this project was medical services, educational development and preservation of wildlife. Also, they supported Narmada Bachao Andolan, which is the social project of spearheaded by native, tribals, farmers, environmentalists and human rights activists against the large number of dam projects. The Narmada Bachao Andolan, with its leading spokesperson Medha Patkar and Baba Amte, have received Life Food Award in 1991. Also, they started Jwala and Fuel project. Also in the year 1985, Baba Amte started Bharat Jodo Compassion from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. He wanted to reinstate peace and create environment awareness. Limitations of the book. This autobiographical narration seems scattered bound than together, hence found least harmonious. Expect this, the book is frank and truthful narration. Now I am conclude to review of the book. Samhita is the most inspirational book, and in this book we can see the life story of Sarnatai Amte and Baba Amte. Their work is so precious, as well as their children continued their work with the same excitement. In this book, Sarnatai Amte expressed her frank experiences, and we get inspired for do something new and different for the cause of society. I request you all to read this book and get inspired. Do your work best. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.